हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। टॉप 20 जीके क्वेश्चंस में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज का सब्जेक्ट है साइंस। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक और शेयर करिएगा। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। Einstein has given the formula E is equal to mc square, where c stands for A. Velocity of light, B. Velocity of sound, C. A constant, D. A curvature. So the correct answer is A. Velocity of light. Question number 2. Food energy is measured in A. Calories, B. Kilograms, C. Meters, D. Yards. The correct answer is A. Calories. Question number 3. Devices used to change the voltage of alternating current are A. Transformers, B. Solenoids, C. Galvanometer, D. Dynamo. The correct answer is A. Transformers. Question number 4. The light with the longest wavelength in the visible spectrum is A. Red, B. Yellow, C. Green, D. Blue. And the correct answer is A. Red. Question number 5. What happens when you blink? A. The iris changes size. B. The cornea is washed. C. Your sight is focused. D. Your sight is rested. The correct answer is B. The cornea is washed. गाइज, अगर आपको क्वेश्चंस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कर दीजिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. If someone says that there is energy crisis in the country, what would it mean? A. Shortage of oil. B. Fossil energy is limited. C. Atomic energy exhausted. D. All of these. So the correct answer is D. All of these. Question number 7. The sky is blue because A. There is more blue light in the sunlight. B. Scattering of sunlight by air molecules in the atmosphere. C. Scattering of sunlight by pollution in the atmosphere. D. Other colors are absorbed by heavenly bodies. The correct answer is B. Scattering of sunlight by air molecules in the atmosphere. The purpose of fuse wire in electric installation is A. To prevent the building from damage when high voltage current flows. B. To protect the building from lightning discharge. C. To save on electricity. D. None of these. The correct answer is A. To prevent the building from damage when high voltage current flows. Question number 9. In the electric bulb, the gas used is A. Nitrogen gas, B. Hydrogen gas, C. Oxygen gas, D. Inert gas. And the correct answer is D. Inert gas. Question number 10. In the pressure cooker, the vegetables boil quickly because A. Steam is good for all digestion. B. Vegetables get crushed under the impact of steam. C. Pressure increases due to the steam and vegetables boil faster. D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Pressure increases due to the steam and vegetables boil faster. Question number 11. Which of the following lines is used when a person feels difficulty in seeing a distant object? A. Convex lens. B. Concave lens. C. None of these. D. Both convex and concave lens. फ्रेंड्स, इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको वीडियो के एंड में बताएंगे, तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. द लाइफ ऑफ अ ट्री कैन बी सीन बाय A. Counting the leaves of a tree. B. Counting the number of rings on its trunk. C. Counting the number of branches. And D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Counting the number of rings on its trunk. Question number 13. Centigrade and Fahrenheit scales resemble at A. -40 degree, B -20 degree, C +20 degree, D +40 degree. And the correct answer is A -40 degree. Question number 14. Minimum volume of water is at A 0 degree centigrade, B 4 degree centigrade, C 100 degree centigrade, D 40 degree centigrade. Correct answer is B 4 degree centigrade. Question number 15. Study of insects is called A. Entomology, B. Anthropology, C. Ontology, D. Entomology. And the correct answer is A. Entomology. Question number 16. Hardest substance is A. Platinum, B. Diamond, C. Gold, D. Silver. And the correct answer is B. Diamond. Question number 17. Galvanized iron is iron coated with A. Zinc, B. Gold, C. Silver, D. Phosphorus. And the correct answer is A. Zinc. Question number 18. Law of buoyancy was given by A. Archimedes, B. Boyle, C. Einstein, D. all of these. And the correct answer is A. Archimedes. Question number 19. Who discovered electrons? A. Rutherford, B. Niels Bohr, C. J.J. Thomson, D. none of these. And the correct answer is C. J.J. Thomson. Question number 20. Craskograph was discovered by A. J.C. Bose, B. Niels Bohr, C. Rutherford, D. none of these. And the correct answer is A. J.C. Bose. गाइस क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 जो हमने बीच में छोड़ दिया था उसका आंसर है बी. कॉनकेव लेंस. गाइस आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. इसे लाइक और शेयर कर दीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए कि आपको अब क्वेश्चंस किस टॉपिक पर चाहिए. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए अलविदा.